eri mwenna abaana ab'obuwala kasita olaba omwami oba omusajja eyeefaananyiriza Mr. Ogenga nga muwanvu nga bw'aseka mwana wange oba olina mwana oba olina ki dduka misinde ddukira obulamu bwo kuba abasajja abakuba abakazi bwe batyo bebeezesa bakubi batimpula agenda okusanga nga nawe oli kaana kato oli nayivu n'olaba esimayiro noga bambi nfunye omusajja kumba ogenda ku mutujju.
How can Kampala elect a mayor who batters women? Never. The city deserves a leader who protects, not pray. In fact, I'm donating my next month's campaign budget to the Narubali Center for Women, that shelter for victims of domestic abuse. Actions speak louder than promises.
What does he want me to do? Stand up and clap for him?
Well, if you do not address it, he gets to write the ending.
Tonight on the People's Court, should Joel, Kampala's mayoral hopeful, step down after his wife's shocking video? The city is speaking.